Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting tech video. Today I'm gonna tell you something that will surely help you a lot in your day-to-day life. Ever had that moment when you really needed to scan something but you don't have a scanner or the scanner is not working? No worries, your iPhone can be a lifesaver. It can also work as a quick and handy document scanner. In this video I'm gonna show you how to scan a document with your iPhone. The Files app features a built-in document scanner. Open Files app, tap this icon to bring up a menu and select Scan Documents option. It will open the scanning interface. Now grab the document you want to scan and position it within your iPhone's camera frame. Make sure the document is clearly visible. Your iPhone offers two capture modes, auto and manual. If you are feeling confident, let auto mode do the work for you. It will automatically capture the document when it's properly framed. But if you prefer more control, switch to manual mode and tap the shutter button when you are ready. It will capture the document and will show the preview. Take a moment to review. If you are not satisfied, you can also retake. If things are good, you can tap keep scan and then you get options to crop the edges, rotate it and select color filters. You can keep scanning if you want to add more pages. When you are done scanning, tap save to save it. Your Notes app can also scan documents. Create a new note or edit a note. Tap on that camera icon at the bottom toolbar and tap Scan Documents. This will open the same scanning interface. I have already explained you how to use it and scan the document. When you are satisfied with the scan, tap Save button to save it as a PDF within the Notes app. And that's it. Now you know how to use your iPhone as a portable document scanner to scan documents. If you enjoyed watching this video and got to learn something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech buddies and drop a comment below if you have something to ask. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay techy, stay awesome.